Hello everyone, in this video we'll cover the best sound deadening materials for car sound deadening. As always, I have included all the links to the recommended products in the description below. To continue receiving useful videos of similar kind, please subscribe to this channel. The best automotive sound deadening insulation is what regular car drivers need. I am pretty sure that most of you are used to sitting in the car for long, driving over long distances or just short distances, but more frequently. How comfortable you become in the car matters. You will definitely agree with me that if your car interior is noisy, you will always be wishing for short travels only. Noise in the car can come from different parts. First, the running engine may be a source of irritating low-frequency noise if your cabin floor is not well covered. Second, the wind creeping through the windows as you drive against the wind direction gives you food for thought. And then I can't leave out the screeching effect of the tires. All these noises will only increase discomfort in the car. Thus, the need for you to consider applying the best sound deadening material for cars. Good enough, I'm going to look for what is exactly appropriate for you. So you shall stick right here and find out the great suggestions I think will sort out your problem. But first, why do you need the best automotive sound deadening material? Sound deadening materials are useful in various ways. They have proved to be very essential if you mind about your health. Here are some of the benefits. They are good for sound isolation. The automotive sound deadening materials are designed to reduce noise that comes from different places, i.e., room, street, wind, tire hum, etc. In other words, they block sound from dispersing all over your home interior from the external environment. Others come with sound-absorbing properties. Thus, they deaden sound through sound-absorbing materials, reducing noise coming from the same space you are occupying. For example, the cabin noises, rattling of the trunks, car beeping, etc. Secondly, they reduce interior car temperature. Besides reducing sound waves, sound deadening material also keeps your car interior warm when the weather is cold. When it becomes hot outside, the materials can again adjust to keep your car cool inside. This is something many drivers would love, because this kind of convenience is just desirable and it makes you feel absolutely taken care of while you're driving. I'm sure the weather challenge you will experience can only be minimal. Therefore, you won't be thinking hard over traveling in different kinds of weather. When it comes to which type of automotive sound deadening insulation is the best, a little confusion is unavoidable. The market has expanded over the years and therefore filled with many different options. The different types and brands come with varied features. It will be important to know which features matter a lot for the best automotive insulation and sound deadening product. Here are the different types. In number 1, Acoustic Fiberglass Sound Deadener. The Acoustic Fiberglass Sound Deadener is designed with acoustic improvements. It comes with great noise-reducing features that are efficient and effective. They do not just offer noise reduction, these materials also bring you the much-needed relief when it comes to improving energy efficiency. The acoustic fiberglass is made with safer materials. This makes them stand out as far as contributing to green space is concerned. If you want great acoustic fiberglass, check out the Owens Corning 70324 by 48 by 2 fiberglass boards. The box contains a pack of 6 and it is great material for acoustic consumption. Number 2. Best sound deadening mats. Sound deadening mats have always come in handy. A sound deadening mat is usually ultra-thin, acoustic material with high flexibility. It plays the role of creating a sound barrier in places where high-level soundproofing is required, e.g. in cars, trucks, boats, sound studios, etc. This mat is made of high-density vinyl sheets to increase its overall mass. It is the higher mass of the products that result to high performance. For your auto sound deadening solutions, considering these mats is obviously going to be rewarding. A good pick for you is this Deadening Mat 10455 18 by 32 by 0.067 inch thick self-adhesive sound deadener. Number 3. Best acoustic sound deadening foams. Acoustic sound deadening foams are lightweight materials. They are made from either polyester or polyether. The acoustic foams are designed to reduce or eliminate sound echoes. They control any reverberation of sound by absorbing the noises. Ideally, these materials prevent sound from entering or leaving your car interior, so you'll be able to get these products in different colors, sizes, and even thickness. It all depends on what you want as an individual. 12-pack acoustic panel studio foam wedges is something you can start looking at. It's affordable and flexible to fit on different surfaces. Number 4. Best car installation sound deadener. You not only want to deal with noise in your car, even heat is one of those elements of discomfort for any automotive drivers. So getting an insulation material that keeps the two disturbers at bay is a big achievement. Everyone would love to have such installed in their cars. This is why you should be thinking about the best car insulation sound deadener. It comes as a great heat and noise barrier, easy to handle, highly flexible, and more to it is the lightweight and crash resistance features it has. It may lack self-adhesive properties, but you'll definitely notice a difference in your listening experience within the car. That's why I would recommend this car insulation 4x10-inch roll 40 square feet sound deadener and heat barrier. It may not be the very best automotive sound deadening insulation, but it does an awesome job. Number 5. Self-adhesive sound deadener. The self-adhesive sound deadeners are easy to install on car surfaces. These come with properties that make them attach on surfaces without the need of adding glues. The materials have higher mass, thus you will need a sharp knife to cut when doing installation. These sound deadeners in this category do a great job, but you shouldn't expect noise reduction to be dramatic. Try out with this FatMat self-adhesive rattle trap sound deadener. It is easy to cut, pliable, and heat resistant. Number 6. Sound deadening sprays for automotive. You can also attempt to diversify your noise reduction strategies. For example, the sound deadening sprays for cars provide you with a totally unique way of doing this. There are many spray-on sound deadener products on the market today, meaning that you have a wide range to choose from. The good part of the spray applications compared to mats and sheets is the ease of applying them. You don't need to hustle to spray the car and fully cover it. Perhaps you'll only need under a day to apply 2 gallons of liquid deadener over a surface of 45 inch and 2 inches. The sprays are cheaper than mats. For example, Lizard Skin 50115 sound controlled ceramic insulation 2 gallon is an environmentally friendly, fire resistant and non-toxic spray. The best car sound deadening materials is what you need for your car or any other automotive. The good thing is that they are available on the market. If you secure the best sound deadening mats or foams or spray, you are definitely assured of great results at the end. Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to hit the like button if you loved the video and comment below. Once more, do not forget to subscribe to this channel to receive a notification each time I upload a new video. Till next time, take care and thank you.